still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold. When they let me out of prison, I held my head up high, determined I would rise above the shame. But no matter where I'm going, a black mark follows me. I'm branded with a number on my name. I'd like to hold my head up and be proud of who I am, but they won't let my secret go untold. I paid the debt I owe them, but they're still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold. If I live to be 100, I guess I'll never clear my name, 'cause everybody knows I've been in jail. No matter where I'm living, I gotta tell them where I've been. They'll send me back to prison if I fail. I'd like to hold my head up and be proud of who I am, but they won't let my secret go untold. I paid the debt I owe them, but they're still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold. I'd like to hold my head up and be proud of who I am, but they won't let my secret go untold. I paid the debt I owed them, but they're still not satisfied. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold. Now I'm a branded man out in the cold.
Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. And we're up here at Bob Smith Toyota in Lacra Center for another hour of what I call fun country music. We got Kim and Dan at the controls. And, of course, Gary Swan. How you doing?
Fantastic.
You look good tonight. You all dressed up?
Well, I didn't get my hat on in time.
Well, look good.
Had to take the wrong hat.
It looks good now. Palmer. Doing good, buddy? Yeah. Okay, you know, once a week, I don't see these guys all week. We all go about our business, and I have one that I run, and Paul keeps busy with the family, and you got the session thing going on with the recordings and all that stuff.
Yep.
And I don't know what Gary does during the week,
Monkey
but I'm sure he's
business.
keeping busy. And Palmer's always doing gigs somewhere in Hollywood.
Palmer's busy man.
He plays those Hollywood kind of cool
He's
clubs.
a drummer in demand.
He is. He is. You were there last
No,
night,
I-
he says, doing it.
Hey, I have monkey business all week long.
Monkey business?
Monkey business.
Well, that's good too, you know. That's like that song Chuck Berry wrote, Too Much Monkey Business.
Too much monkey business.
And that had a lot of funny words in it. That guy was cool. Okay, so how's the family, Paul?
Family is good.
Ollie is good, and the
Colleen's
little
been in
kids and-
Texas.
He is.
Coleen's been in Texas.
Oh,
visiting,
jeez. Are they
she's-
there now?
Well, she's there. Yes, she's there now. She's visiting Scott.
Oh,
Yeah.
Scott, if you see any part of this, you know we love you. Scott's a wonderful, wonderful man. And he's got a beautiful wife.
Yes, he does.
And they've been married a while.
Yes, quite a little while.
Good. See? Yeah, it can work if you just work at it a little
Just
bit.
got to work at it.
Just got to work at it, yeah. Like working man blues, you know.
That's right.
Okay, so I think we're going to jump right over to Gary and we'll kind of split it up. I might do one later. Who knows? Gary, go ahead and hit us with something.
Gee. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't ever caught a rabbit, ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you were like that. That was just a lie. Oh, I know your friends. They said you was like that. But that was just a lie. You ain't never caught a rabbit. Ain't no friend of mine. Oh, they said you was walking around crying all the time. Oh, they said you'd be walking around crying all the time. You got your tail between your legs, whining, whining, whining. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, ain't no friend of mine. Come on, come on. You ain't never caught a rabbit, ain't no friend of mine. Hear me now.
Woo! Boy, ain't nothing but a hound dog. Good
Ain't
song.
nothing but a hound dog.
Big Mama Thornton.
Yeah.
Yeah, she wrote that song, didn't she? She wrote a few things I think that were pretty cool. Who? Did they write Hound Dog?
Baby Stroller.
Oh, so Lieber and you know, I remember those guys.
Yeah, Lieber and Stoller.
Oh. They wrote it specifically for her, and then she sang it, and then Elvis did it, and it became a real big hit.
Well, you know, a great story. Ricky Z was in court,
Yeah.
and the guy before him was guy that wrote all of Elvis's hits. And the judge says, do you work? He said, yeah. He said, what do you do? He said, I'm a songwriter. And Ricky said the judge kind of rolled his eyes and said, have you written anything that I might know? He started naming off all of Elvis's hits. And he said, and the judge was like talking to him for 20 minutes, asking him all these questions. You never know. It's L.A.
No, well, you know. All right, Paul. So we're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and like Gary always says, what do you say about Bob Smith?
He'd give him away, but his wife won't let him.
I love that. And, okay, Paul, what do you got?
Let's do Deep Water. I'm drifting into Deep Water.
Yeah, we haven't done that in a while.
Bridge is 5 and 2.
Okay.
We're going to do it in G.
So that means the bridge is over troubled water.
Let's do 1 5 1. 1 2 1 2 3. Well, I'm drifting into deep water. I'm starting to care for you. You're getting me in deep water. Be careful what you do. Well, you want a romance, but I'm seeking love. I know I'll regret it when it ends, 'cause I'm winding up in deep water. Why can't we just be friends? Restless here in deep water. I'm caught between right and wrong. My love is true as deep water. Your love won't last as long. Now where will it lead me, and where will it end? I can't help but wish I only knew, 'cause I'm winding up in deep water, so deep in love with you.
Nobody caught that mistake I made. Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Gee, we only got Dr. Kathy and Nellie and the dog Dottie. Hi, Dottie. Cute dog. And Brandon's back there. You can hear Brandon. He's always saying something, man. Keeps it going. I love him. And Dan Hugot taking care of things. Hope the lights aren't too bright. We try to turn the white ones down because they look too washed out. It's too bright. But we'll see what it looks
Makes
like
it look too white.
after the show. Yeah, I don't want to be that white, for God's sakes. And my daughter, Kim, of course. Okay, maybe I'll do one. Do one. I won't be Kansas City yet. No.
Hey, you said
Here we
hey.
go, KV 151. This old smoke-filled bar something I'm not used to. I just called my home to keep you satisfied. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. You stop by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. Swan! I got everything I'll need to get a hot break. I've got everything in here to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here is just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. You can always find me here till closing time. You can always find me here till closing time. Yeah, I screw it all up, but I like playing it. Brandon, I hear you back there. You like that song? Okay, what do you got, Garrett?
Just call me lonesome. Starts in A, then the G, then the D. Ready? Want me to count it? 1, 2, 1. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one. Call me since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't call me lonesome from now on. That's a song that I wrote.
God, I wish I'd written that song. Who did that song?
I did. I just did it.
Paul, I know, you did it good too. Paul, who wrote who did that song? I can't think of it.
Bing Crosby.
What's his name?
Oh, call me lonesome. Okay, Paul, we're gonna have Paul do another one. Thanks for watching, folks. The numbers are coming up every week. We're happy about that. If you're on Facebook, just push like and share, and that does a lot for us. And write something nice about us. We always love hearing from all the people watching the shows. If you're on YouTube, just push subscribe, and that's it. So we're coming out to you live from 6 to 7 every Sunday, and then right after the show at 7, my daughter Kim uploads it onto YouTube, and then by Monday or Tuesday, Dan does a whole mixing thing with the thing that he does. He puts another one on YouTube, and it really sounds cool. So we're having a lot of fun doing this show. We hope you people out there are enjoying it. I haven't had a guest artist the past few weeks. I've been so busy at the shop that I just forget to call. But
Usually guest artists just come into your shop.
well, a lot of times they walk in. Yes, yeah, we met that
And,
girl, and
yeah,
she was great.
You say, hey, do you sing?
That's right. But she's coming back.
Good.
Yeah, great, good girl. So maybe next week I'll call somebody, hunt somebody down, and we'll add something to it.
Cool.
It's kind of fun. But I'm going to tell you honestly, I kind of like it sometimes when we just get to play.
I like it too.
We get to play a little more, and it's kind of fun, and that's what it's all about. So keep watching, folks. Tell a friend.
She
Okay.
thinks I still care. Key of A.
Oh, God, I love that.
C sharps.
151.
151. 1. Just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I rang her number by mistake today, she thinks I still care. And just because I haunt the same old places where the memory of her lingers everywhere, just because I'm not the happy guy I used to be, she thinks I still care. And if she's happy thinking I still need her, well, let that silly notion bring her cheer. Oh, but how could she ever be so foolish? Tell me, where would she get such an idea? Just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I saw her then went all to pieces, she thinks I still care. happy thinking I still need her, then let that silly notion bring her cheer. Oh, but how could she ever be so foolish? Tell me, where would she get such an idea? Just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I saw her, then went all to pieces. You know she thinks I still care. Yeah, she thinks I still care.
Great song. Number one then.
Paul.
Thank
you, Number thank one you, now.
That's a good one. I like that one.
You know, it takes a lot of guts to do a George Jones song, doesn't it?
does,
The
huh?
way he sang that guy.
Well.
God, unbelievable. What a gifted man.
I'm just doing my best.
She thinks I still care. And I'm going to tell you folks out there, we all do care about you guys. We appreciate you watching the show. And Paul, you did a great job in that song.
Thank you.
It's just there. What do you got, Swan?
Next time, maybe I can get the girls to sing harmony on.
Oh,
on
wouldn't that be
with-
great?
On that with me. That would be
God.
good.
Okay.
The girls named Gary Swan. Maybe he'd.
I was,
Sing some
I
harmony.
was gonna sing it, but I was enjoying listening. to
Well, you jump in anytime you
it.
feel
You know what I
the.
mean?
Yeah.
Anytime you
enjoying.
feel moved.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the
I'm staying out of that one. That's between those two guys.
here's a tune that is for Christmas. I think I wrote this one. We'll know in a second if I wrote it or not.
What do you got?
Yeah. At the end of this song, you'll know that either it was by Alabama or by me. There you go, Brandon. You know.
What key in?
C starts in D minor to G.
Okay. I'll do that.
By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground. And out in California, the sunshine's falling down. And maybe out in Memphis, Graceland's full of light. In Atlanta, Georgia, there's peace on earth tonight. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. Intro. It's windy in Chicago. Kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown. City's on the move. Tulsa, Arizona, Southern Carolina. Magic in the Christmas to Christmas in Dixie. It's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. Christmas in Dixie. It's snowing in the pine. Christmas in Dixie. And everyone tonight. We only get twice to sing
Pretty
that.
song, you know. We're getting close enough to Christmas to start doing that song too. That's good.
Yeah.
Thanksgiving's coming up in a little bit. Tomorrow, don't forget, Tuesday, everybody go out and vote. I'm not going to tell you which way. I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing. I'm just telling you, do it your way, but go do it.
No,
No, no.
don't stop me.
That's right. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Well, that's fast. Said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. It made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid. They said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. Thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. Often wondered why Clayton, who seemed so good to me, he never took his guitar, made it down in Tennessee. And broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. Felt so down and out, never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. what I try to be. Blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. So I started out singing Clayton Delaney, thinking I was going to sing Blue and Broken Hearted Me. So once I started singing Clayton Delaney, it was too late, so I just sang a couple of verses of that.
I thought you intentionally did a medley.
Yeah, no, not intentional. So forget about the first half of that song, because it was too fast for Clayton Delaney. But thank you, Paul, for singing harmony with me. You sound great.
You're welcome.
As always. And Gary, you got another one?
I thought that last one
Was that a
one
yes?
song.
Okay.
Of course I do. I know 3 songs.
Just give me a key song. What the hell?
We're going to be in G this time. Trombone players, tune up.
He said G.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. Then today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. Then today I started loving you again. Go on, Carmen. Lord, what a fool I was, think I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. Crying time for me had just begun. And today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough, letting my heartache mend. Today I started loving you. Little picking here. started loving you again. Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm going to Kansas City. Kansas, hey, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City. If I can find the key, Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women there. I'm gonna get me one. I'm standing on the corner, 12th Street and Vine. And I'm standing on the corner, 12th Street and Vine, with my Kansas City baby, bottle of Kansas City wine. I might take a train, might take a plane, and if I have to walk, I'm going just the same. I'm going to Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women there. I'm gonna get me one. You got it. If I stay with that baby, I know I'm gonna die. See, I got a brand new baby, and that's the reason why I'm going to Kansas City. Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women there. I'm gonna get me one. City, Kansas City, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. They got some crazy little women there. I'm gonna get me one. Key, I couldn't quite find the key there, but sounded pretty good, you know, when we tried it out earlier.
Seemed all right.
And then the show comes on, and But it was fun. We're going to do that again. We'll get that a little better next week.
It was under the mat.
It was good. I had fun playing it. Kansas City. We got 10 minutes. So Gary do another one, and then Paul do one, and that's probably going to kind of wrap it up. Thanks for watching, folks. Please tell a friend. Every week we do this. We love having you. We've been doing it over 4.5 years now. I can't believe it. Huh?
I was a lot younger when this whole
I know.
thing started,
Me
right?
too, yeah.
One more last chance. Hey,
Keep it, boys.
1, 2, 1. Well, she was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling man in her right. Said you come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. Gonna listen to my preaching. I'm gonna beat you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do is the good old boys making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Well, first she hid my glasses, 'cause you know that I can't see. Says you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Well, my friends call from the honky tonk. There's a party going on around here. She made my car key. She forgot about my old John Deere tractor that is. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Though I drive you crazy, baby, best that I can do. Good old boys making noise, ain't working down on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Oh, give me just one more last chance.
All right, folks, we're going to do one more and call it a night. So we'll see you next week. Don't be late. 6 to 7 every Sunday. God bless you.
Well, everybody knows you've been stepping on my clothes, and I'm getting pretty tired of it. You keep stepping out of line, and I'm messing with my mind. If you had any sense, you'd quit. Ever since you were a little bitty teeny girl, said I was the only man in this whole world. Now you better do some thinking, and you'll find you got the only daddy that'll walk the line. I keep working every day. All you wanna do is play. I'm getting tired of running around all night. Keep coming up was the only man to do the trick. Now you better do some thinking that you'll find you got the only daddy that'll walk the line. Packing up my clothes, nearly everybody knows. Still just a putting me on. But when I start a walking, gonna hear you start squawking, begging me to come back home. Cause ever since you were a little bitty teeny girl, said I was the only man in this whole world. Now you better do some thinking, and you'll find you got the only daddy that'll walk the line. You got the only daddy that'll walk the line. You got the only daddy that'll walk the line.